today we're making an experiment to make yogurt. So ingredients, we need milk, a cup, and yogurt, and a bowl, and the lid. Homemade yogurt.
So homemade yogurt. And I remember that I was doing it when I was a child. So I had never to go to grocery to buy yogurt, but now I want to show the kids how to do the yogurt. It's very easy and simple.
So and it saves lots of money.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do? First of all, let's pour the milk
in a cup.
in right here. So
But that's to make like.
So now next step, we need to put a little bit of yogurt in the fresh milk.
It's weird that you need yogurt to make yogurt.
Yes, but I will explain that later. Before that, we need to warm the milk first. So I'm gonna put it in the microwave. Okay. Good German. So now it's warm. So this is about 80 to 90 degrees. So what we're going to do,
Let's get the yogurt.
and we can just use classic yogurt. So what I'm going to do is just put some milk on it, a little bit, to make it more liquid.
You know, shake it, shake it, shake.
So you can shake it. So Mika, put it in the cup here.
It's like vanilla milkshake.
Just put it on the cup.
Oh,
It's like vanilla milkshake. But with no whipped cream.
looks clean.
A cup of milk with a half cup of yogurt. Yeah.
That looks like milkshake.
Okay. So Mika, now you can pour that into the milk. Good.
Now mix it.
And now, you mix it. Mix it so well. So this needs to sit for about 12 hours.
So we're gonna put it outside.
But we're not gonna put it in the fridge, because if you put it in the fridge, it's not gonna become yogurt. So we need just to leave it in a temperature
Like 70 to 75 degrees.
70 to 75 degrees for 12 hours. And then we're gonna check it out.
You guys, tomorrow.
So now I'm gonna explain to you how the yogurt is formed.
Transformed into
Yeah. To make a yogurt, you need bacteria,
good bacteria.
because you have so many type of bacteria. You have these bacteria, the one that you eat them, you can get sick.
Yeah, bad bacteria.
Bad bacteria. But now you need good bacteria that gonna transform the milk into yogurt. And what is that process is called?
Transformation.
It's fermentation. That process is fermentation. So the fermentation is a process that when the milk is sitting for about 12 hours, and at the same time also the bacteria make the milk thicker. So while the fermentation is happening, the milk will become thicker. Now it's time to leave the milk outside in a room, and we can just put it maybe somewhere
In this house.
and put it in just a kitchen cabinet like this, because it's enough warm to stay here for 12 hours, and we'll check it tomorrow.
Hey guys, today we're back checking on our yogurt. Let's see if it's yogurt or not. And we're hoping it's yogurt.
All right,
Yogurt.
let's find out. So you don't put the spoon inside, okay? So let's check what it looks like. Oh, yogurt.
Oh, yogurt is growing.
Oh my goodness, look at this. No, it's yogurt already.
It's yogurt.
Look at
It's
this.
just like kind of almost too much liquid. I want yogurt. Even though it looks liquidy, it's actually yogurt.
So we're gonna put here some and then try. Alright,
It's just chunks of yogurt with milk.
so what I'm going to do, who wanna try?
Me, not me, not me, not me, not me.
Mmm. It tastes like yogurt. Mmm.
You gave me sour cream, not yogurt.
This is so good.
No, this is what it tastes like without the sugar and the vanilla. You need to add the sugar and the vanilla, and then
I
it'll
want
become yogurt.
to.
You're gonna enjoy the yogurt. What I'm going to do, I'm gonna put some vanilla
Extra.
and sugar. So let's put some here. Grab a tinge. Alright, so let's taste it.
Me and Daddy are the least picky.
Try and see. If you like it.
It's so yummy.
Let me taste it.
Mika, you're gonna love this.
What?
I like yogurt.
Mmm. This is nice. Really?
I need some more.
That's so good.
Voila. So this is how we make yogurt.
Can I have some more?
And thanks to bacteria. If we don't have bacteria, we cannot make yogurt.
Yeah.
Right?
I
But-
feel like you need more vanilla.
But
No.
these are good bacteria.
But
So
it's really good.
Alright, guys. Enjoy the video.
Daddy, can I have more but with more vanilla?
Enjoy the video, guys.
You go try this out.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.